Now what would make you want to sell a Troop Carrier like this? Don't matter, the new owner's pretty impressed and pretty happy about this one. It's 6 months, 84 right at the end of the line, HJ47 2H, and it's got a few bells and whistles right up the front, the TEQ PTO winch. It's got 40 series power steering in it. It's got the 5-speed upgrade, and it's got chilly as ice aircon, really nice. The company rolled in here with the aircon blasting on a hot day like today. Very impressed. Previous owners built it for a purpose. You can see by the bar work, the double camper. It's still got the tyre carrier on the back. Check this out. So it's lifted a couple of inches. I just love this homemade stuff. If someone did a professional or they homemade it, there ain't nothing Chinese here. So they got the rooftop tent up here. Boom. Can carry my 100 kilos. Very impressive. It's a bit of a weapon, this one. But also, it's got forward-facing seats. We've done that here before for clients. It's one of my favourites. To turn a troop into a bit of a family tourer. And very impressive. In the front, it's also got the 60 series bucket seats. They just more lumbar support than poor old 40s. They were built for a farm purpose, so it's a bit more comfy in the front. It's got a custom-made console. And how can you not want to drive or own a car like this?